What's up? I'm Will Productions. Today we will be reviewing That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup Cure package I got from That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup shoot 7669 Melrose Ave. Yeah, the official. Shout out to DestoDubb and the whole That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup. You feel me? The shoe was amazing. They treated me amazing. We finna get in and review the nice pieces, the great garments inside of this bag right here, this gift bag right here. This was pretty dope. Back at y'all on Will Productions. We finna get into the review right here for That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup. Once again, shout out DestoDubb. Shout out everybody that's an awful lot of cough syrup. You feel me? Look at the details on the bag. They gonna make sure. It's Will Productions. We getting back into the review again. Like I was saying, look at the great detailed bag from That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup. You feel me? It's a great premium bag. Follow the Instagram too. You feel me? At Cough Syrup by DestoDubb and they TikTok as well. It's a great bag. Look at the different logo on this side. What a girl, tell them what's up, milk grass eating. We about to get into it. First we have here Princess Girl. Let me get that. Here girl. Cardboard. Here we have the orange Awful Lot of Cough Syrup trucker hat. See the details. Green wording, orange hat. Nice orange net. Nice orange ribbon across around. Also the official That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup logo tag, as you can see, by DestoDubb. Official, you feel me? See the tag. Pretty dope hat right here. It's a fly hat. I'm gonna put this together with some nice pieces for sure. Gonna make some magic with this for sure. You like the hat, girl? You like the hat? You like the hat? Let's see next, guys. Oh, next. Come on, you see what it is right here. We got That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup socks right here. As you can see, the logo. Princess. I see the official tag here. Come on. White and green. That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup socks. These is pretty fly, pretty dope right here. Like these a lot. I wore these also in the shoot I was in. You feel me? I'm gonna show you guys soon right here. Wait a second, as you will see. 1, 2, 3. As you guys just seen in the Instagram post right there. Also follow my Instagram and follow That's an Awful Lot of Cough Syrup. Cough Syrup by DestoDubb is their Instagram. It's also right here, as you can see. If you guys see this, Instagram is right there. But them posts right there I just showed you was from the shoe we done, which was amazing, black and white. Yin yang, can't go wrong. You feel me? It was an amazing shoot. Great socks right here. These just top tier socks. It says, "Pretty girl." Flower.
Our nature baby.
Yay, girl. Yay. Here. Here you go, girl.
May May, come here.
You wanna sit with Dad? get into the next. What we have? We have here. Oh. White, that's an awful lot of cough syrup. Bandana right here. This is fly right here. You know, summer is really here, but approaching, you feel me? This is hard. This is fly. I like this. This is great quality as well. The material is not cheap at all. This is great quality. Like it, girl? Like it, girl? As you can see, my princess likes it a lot. This is hard. I'm gonna put this together with some fly fits as well. But as you can see, my daughter appreciates playing with this cloth right here. She having fun with it. Okay, that I got you. That I got you. Let's get into what we have here next. You want to get into the review too, girl? You already reviewing this one. We can't show them what's next in there. We can show them the hat. Right here. Oh, this is fly. I think I might know what this is. So let's see. Oh yeah, you guys see these trunks is fly with the collab as well, as you can see right here. Asali, you can see the logo. Dope, the collab. It's hard. You see it on this side of the zipper. That's an awful lot of cough syrup details with the zipper. Nice functioning zipper as well. Logo continues inside. Nice trunks, net, as you can see. So if you are in the water, your things will stay intact. Nice metal buckle for adjusting right here. Nice silver button. These is fly. I'm gonna put these together with a fly fit for sure. Appreciate you, DestoDubb. See the different color patterns. Just go with a lot. Let's go with a lot right here. And last item inside. Thank you, pretty girl. Have an official. That's an awful lot of cough syrup by DestoDubb. Blue and white t-shirt. This is pretty fly right here. We're gonna do a lot with this one too. I can already see the different fly fits I'm gonna use with this one. Look right there. Smells fresh too. Great quality shirt right here. Official. That's an awful lot of cough syrup tag once again, so you know it's official. Give me the bag, girl. Logo on the back. This is a fresh shirt right here. Great quality shirt. You can also feel the print on the shirt. Great material. Shout out, that's an awful lot of cough syrup. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the hospitality. Also the gift bag. If you haven't been, go down at 7669 Melrose Ave and get you some. Shout out DestoDubb. So we can get into the next ones.
Yeah.
Or do one or two more if you cool.
It's up to you. Okay.
Gonna take that long. Shaka review, Ladera, pants and hat. We done. All right, you ready to crunch?